started Quirky Campers in 2010 with one campervan. I would now describe Quirky Campers as the home of handmade campervans. So in 2016 we first had the idea that it'd be really nice to bring together all of the Quirky Campers vans, which we did, and we had a little camping trip with 12 vans and 25 people. And the following year we did it again, but this time we opened it up to the public to come along for the afternoon. We had to limit the numbers and the tickets sold out in about 36 hours. At that point we suddenly realised this was a thing that people really wanted, and so the idea for Camp Quirky was born.
I think there's a lot of focus on workshops and skill sharing. So obviously, all festivals have different creative workshops, but usually the focus is more on the music and the arts, whereas here we've got a lot of people coming just to learn really about conversions. So we were holding workshops on everything from solar panel installation to 12-volt electrics, insulation, basic carpentry.
I think the sense of community is also a huge aspect of the festival, and one description that I liked was somebody described it as being like the internet has come to life in a field. So
raised out of the ground.
Yeah, it was raised out of the ground.
Hello, please come in.
So many people already know each other and are in contact via social media, whether that's on Instagram or YouTube, and then finally they get to meet each other face to face. So it's a bit like you're in a field full of friends that you just haven't met yet. Plus you get to meet people that you might have been watching and admiring for a really long time, and get their words of wisdom face to face. We've got a whole bunch of professional converters there who have all kinds of skills and styles, ranging from the very kind of clean Scandi look to really rustic, beautiful Waney Edge type conversions. It's definitely not a festival where everybody gets drunk out of their minds, but there's lots of fun, drinks to be had, Camp Quirky themed cocktails, a great big fire that everyone gathered round, and yeah, a really cool tent for dancing and having fun.
We're trying to create a festival that's more sustainably focused, so the whole event was run from solar power.
Also no single-use plastic on site, so we only had reusable water bottles, and there were water points around the site, and also none of our food traders were using plastic for their food. And certainly one of the things that lots of people commented on was the fact that the field was pretty much spotless throughout the weekend, and certainly when we left it you wouldn't have known there'd been a festival there. The collection of people that we attract are so enthusiastic, so clean, so friendly, so much fun. So it's a pleasure to put on the event, and yeah, we can't wait for the next one.